everybody, welcome back to NeurosciQ, the best place on YouTube to increase your neuroscience IQ. Last week, we unboxed the Muse S, which is an EEG headband wearable device that can be bought by the public. So if you want to check out that unboxing video, go ahead and check it out to find out more about the Muse S. But today we actually have another exciting unboxing episode where we are going to be unboxing another wearable, except this time we are unboxing the Epoch by Emotive. This is the Emotive EpocX. In comparison to the Muse S, this is more geared towards research. It has 14 EEG channels, so 14 electrodes, whereas the Muse only has 5 electrodes. You'll get more data with the Emotive EpocX than you would with the Muse. However, that being said, of course, this will obviously cost more than the Muse S. In fact, this brings in at about $850 plus tax. But that said, let's get unboxing and let's see what's inside. Okay, I got all the tape undone. And let's have a look. Okay. So first things first, when we open it, we see here some packaging. We see the marketing Emotive EpocX. And this looks like it might be a case for the Epoch. So it looks like it comes packaged in its case. And along with it, there's this piece of paper that has all the inventory you should get. So it comes with, so it says it should come with an EpocX headset, a USB dongle, a USB-C charging cable, a felt pack, a comfort pad, contact lens solution, card insert, a sleeve, and a travel case. So that's the list of what we will have. Let's get unpacking then. I'm gonna take it out. We're gonna remove this lovely packaging. Looks like they have Emotive written on the case again. Everybody wants to know what it is. It's Emotive. Okay, and then it's a zipper. We got a zipper. And 3, 2, 1. Dun, da, da, da. All right. So inside, it looks like we have the headset, along with the contact lens solution, which was expected. So let's have a look at the headset then. Alright, so here is the Emotive headband. We've got the electrodes that go on both sides of the head. You would put it behind the head, and then these will stretch and place over the scalp. Now, in comparison to the Muse, which is a dry EEG, this is actually a wet EEG device. So, rather than being an EEG that is used with a gel, so some EEG devices use gel that you put on the participant's scalp. This actually uses contact lens solution, so it seems like they've packaged with us BioTrue multi-purpose solution. BioTrue multi-purpose solution. So maybe you have contact lenses and you actually use this for your contacts, but that is what came with Muse. And there should be felt pads, but before we go into that, the other thing I see here is the USB dongle, which is what you have to plug in to your computer or laptop so that you can establish a connection to the laptop. The Muse doesn't require one of these. The Muse just directly connects via Bluetooth, making it probably more user-friendly. That way you can use it with your phone and the app that it's designed for. But this has more channels. It has 14 channels as opposed to the 5 that are on the Muse. So that being said, maybe more data needs to be transmitted, and so we need this USB dongle. Okay, let's go. I'm guessing the felt pads are probably in here. So again, we have the headset, the saline solution, and the Epoch USB dongle. I'm gonna open up this. Open up this. See, looks like we've got the charger in here. And we've got a package of saline sensor kit felts. So these are the felts. They come packaged so that they are probably protected from the elements so that they remain sanitary. Basically, there'll be these little small felts. And look at what's inside. Okay. So it looks like they have multiples. That way, if one of them wrecks or if you lose one, you have extras. I'm not going to count them, but the bag is pretty full. I don't know if you can see inside there, but it looks like there's quite a bit. Like, it is full up to here with these small little felt pads. So what you would do to set up the EpocX is you would wet these or soak these in the saline solution, and then they each get placed into, you place them inside their respective electrode gently, and then that would press against the person's scalp. And then after the use, you would have to remove all the little felts and store your Epoch safely. These are the little felts. You can probably buy just more felts if you ever end up needing them. And that is the whole EpocX kit. So after unboxing, we've got the main stuff in the front here, the headset, the saline solution, the USB dongle, and then the charger and the felts are stored in the back. I like the case. It comes with a handy case. It's hard shell, so it would be relatively protective. If you're taking these to do studies in various settings rather than in your own lab, if you're being more mobile with the research. In comparison to the Muse S on first impression, it obviously has more electrodes, which would help increase data output. The Muse is obviously smaller, more accessible, and more user-friendly for somebody who wants an EEG just for interest or personal use at home. This is more geared towards research, and the size and number of electrodes are reflective of each cost. So this comes in at $399.99, whereas the Emotive EpocX comes in at around $850. So this is almost double. Anyway, that was the unboxing video though. If you want to see more videos on our EEG devices that we're using in the lab, or if you want a more in-depth comparison video, make sure to comment down below. Let us know what you want to see in the future. Like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I'll see you next time on NeuroSci Q. Thanks for watching.